สวัสดีครับ Have you ever seen a donut before? Looks like this. Ooh, does it smell good? Today, I'm gonna make stir-fry donut. Let's do it! Yay, yay, yay! Trim paste. That's it, we're done. And this is pizza dough. I hope you like this video. สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ Today I'm making pumpkin custard. First, wash your hands. Coconut milk, palm sugar, salt, panda leaf. Smell good. Bye done. Now, let's have some fun. We're gonna put in the pumpkin now. I already took the seeds out and I already cut it. Are you ready? Wow! This is so cool! I hope you like this video. สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ Do you know what time it is? I know, it's time to cook! Today's food, very easy. Ta-da! I told you, it's easy. Oh, what time is it? Oh, I gotta go now. I hope you like this video. สวัสดีครับ